Are you ready to tile it with Tbabys do-it-yourself tile leveling grout spacers? As you'll see in this video, installing Tbabys Easy T is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first step in our process is to make sure you have the appropriate subfloor and wall materials, as recommended by the product manufacturer's guidelines. For best results, make sure the setting surface is clean, flat, smooth, and level. As you see here, we are able to drag a straight edge over the surface that will be tiled. Next, apply mud with the appropriate notch trowel to the surface. This is determined by the size of the tile. The general rule here is the larger the tile, the larger the notch. You'll need to back butter a tile with the flat side of the trowel and then lightly set the tile in the mud. Once this is done, we've reached the point where you'll use your Easy Tees. You'll slide in the Easy Tees as you can see here. Now it does not have to be perfectly lined up because of the round-grout spacing feature. As you can see here, you want to have 2 Easy Tees per tile side, keeping off the corners of the tiles with the round-grout spacing feature touching the tile. Press down on the tile firmly so that the bottom of the tile is resting on the base of the Easy Tees. Next, lightly place another tile on the other side of the Easy Tees, which had been previously set in the mud. As you can see, these will be resting against the round-grout spacing feature. From there, you simply repeat the process. Lightly set a tile, slide in the Easy Tees, press down on tile firmly. It's important during this part of the process to remember to wipe your workspace clean from time to time. A bucket of water and sponge is all you need to handle the cleaning, and you can see that it works wonders. Now let's talk for a moment about corner cuts and a few other important notes regarding Easy Tees. Some corner cuts within certain rooms and some edge cuts in general may require no grout space. In these situations, you would simply cut or snap off one side of the Easy Tee and place the tile where it's needed. As you can see here, another way to use Easy Tees is on top of tile, specifically as grout spacers. Through this application of Easy Tees, they can be removed after the mud dries and then later used on future projects. Here are a couple of other points to keep in mind about Easy Tees. As you see here, the wedge leveling option that works great on base and trim and advanced wall applications that require a shim or a wedge. Also, the Easy Tees system allows for freshly laid wet tiles to be walked on and grouted over instantly. However, keep an eye out to see if the setting mud has flashed over or started to dry. If this is happening, you'll need to wait before walking on the tile or to grout. Refer to the products being used manufacturer's guidelines for curing times. As we told you at the beginning of our video and as you have now seen, Easy Tees really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you for using Tbabys Easy Tees. If you have any questions or need further information, please visit our website.